Welcome back to the Trending Scoop, your go-to channel for diving deep into trending topics and untangling the truths of history. Today we're breaking down one of the most significant amendments in U.S. history, the 14th Amendment. Who was it truly meant for, and how has it been interpreted, or some might argue misused over time? Let's jump in. The 14th Amendment, ratified on July 9, 1868, was a cornerstone of the Reconstruction era. Its primary purpose? To grant citizenship and equal protection under the law to newly freed African American slaves. After the Civil War, the U.S. needed a constitutional guarantee that former slaves could no longer be denied their rights as American citizens. The key provisions of the 14th Amendment include 1. The Citizenship Clause. It grants citizenship to anyone born or naturalized in the United States. 2. The Equal Protection Clause. It guarantees that all citizens have equal protection under the law. 3. The Due Process Clause. It ensures no one is deprived of life, liberty, or property without due legal process. In essence, this was a direct response to the injustices of slavery and the infamous Dred Scott v. Sanford decision, which had ruled that African Americans could never be citizens. The 14th Amendment was a bold step forward, ensuring that those who had been oppressed could finally claim their place in the American promise of liberty and equality. Fast forward to today, and the 14th Amendment has been at the center of legal and political debates. Critics argue that its original intent, to protect the rights of African Americans, has been stretched to include groups it was never meant to cover. One major point of contention is birthright citizenship. The Citizenship Clause states that anyone born on U.S. soil is a citizen, but some argue that this clause has been exploited by non-citizens and undocumented immigrants who give birth in the U.S. to secure citizenship for their children, often referred to as anchor babies. Legal experts have debated whether the authors of the 14th Amendment intended for it to apply in this way. The historical context suggests they were focused on granting citizenship to legal residents, specifically the freed slaves and their descendants, not individuals who entered the country illegally. However, the courts have largely upheld birthright citizenship, citing the plain text of the amendment. This has led to passionate arguments on both sides of the immigration debate. So, where does that leave us? The 14th Amendment remains one of the most powerful tools for justice and equality in the United States. It has been used to fight racial segregation, gender discrimination, and other forms of inequality, but its broad language has also opened the door for interpretations far beyond its original scope. Whether this is a strength or a weakness depends on your perspective. Does the amendment's adaptability reflect the evolving nature of American democracy, or has it been misapplied in ways that stray too far from its original purpose? That's it for today's deep dive on the Trending Scoop. What do you think? Was the 14th Amendment's intent clear, or has it been misinterpreted too far from its original purpose? Let us know in the comments below. We want to hear your thoughts. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more thought-provoking content, and turn on those notifications so you never miss a scoop. Until next time, stay informed and stay curious.